how to search for EC2 AMI ID by AWS region with Ansible. I'm going to show you a live demo and some simple Ansible code. I'm Luca Burton and welcome to today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Let's talk about the Ansible module EC2_AMI_info. The full name is amazon.aws.ac2_AMI_info, which means that it's part of a collection of modules to interact with Amazon Web Service AWS. The module's purpose is to gather information about EC2 AMIs. Parameters. The following parameters are useful in order to search for EC2 AMI ID by AWS region using the module EC2_AMI_info. The only parameter needed is the filters that specify the filters keys and values. For example, let's search for Red Hat Enterprise Linux machines version 8.3.0 running on HVM infrastructure, architecture x86_64 bits, hourly paid. And demo time. How to search for EC2 AMI ID by AWS region with Ansible. I'm going to show you how to gather information of a specific rhel 8.3.0 HVM EC2 hourly machine for the region US-East-1, the east coast of AWS infrastructure, and select the EC2 AMI ID using Ansible Playbook. Are you excited? Let's move to my editor. Welcome to my editor. I'm going to show you one simple playbook for search for EC2 AMI ID. First of all, let's begin our play with 3- is a YAML document and a name AMI search that is going to be executed on hosts localhost, my Ansible controller. Let me disable unnecessary flags so become false and gather _facts. We don't need root privilege, neither have some system information. This also speed up the execution. Let's define two variables. First is AWS_region. This is the parameter to search for the region. In my case, US-East-1. Customize with whatever you need. And AWS name, this is the search term of the virtual machine. In my case, I need Red Hat Enterprise Linux 8.3.0 running in HVM environment. Let me put a star because I don't know some missing parameter. Architecture x86_64 bit, and we need hourly paid machine. You know that AMI change value by region, so every time you search for a different region, you get a different AMI ID. This is a very convenient way to search for it. Customize these two parameters as much as you need. Now, the meaty part, the task list. First task is to search for AMI using the Ansible module amazon.aws.ec2_AMI_info. Okay, now we are looking for the filters parameter, some key and value. Name is the value of my AWS_name variable, and also we would like to search for a specific region. So region will be the value of my AWS_region. Here we go. And we would like to save the result of this module under an Ansible variable. So let's register the output to AMI_found. Okay, and we can do a lot of things. The simpler way is to print it out on screen. So let's print AMI with ansible.builtin.debug module. Specifically, we would like to print it out the variable name AMI_found. As you can see, in less than 20 lines of code, I'm able to interact with AWS API, search for a specific AMI, 2 parameters specified, and return the AMI ID. Isn't great? You can customize the region and the AWS name, so you can search also for different operating system, different Linux distribution, different architecture, as well as different region. You just need to change one parameter and the code will be executed. Now let's move on to the terminal. Welcome to my terminal. First things is to connect to my Ansible controller, in my case via SSH DevOps as username at demoexample.com. This is a simple machine, Linux based, where I'm going to execute my Ansible code. I already set up everything, all the Ansible requirement. So everything is stored under AWS directory. First thing, let me load the credential having source env.sh. This way I'm loading my Amazon access keys. Now I'm able to execute my Ansible code running Ansible-Playbook AMI_search YML. The return is a simple JSON file with some information about this running machine. You probably get used to the image ID identifier. This is the full code where you can paste in Amazon and search for this specific image. As you can see, the full name is rhel 8.3.0 HVM 2020 October. So last day of October 2020 was published, and this machine you pay hourly with GP2 disk volume. You have all the information about this machine and you are ready to use it. Isn't this magic? You just need to adjust some parameter and you can access all the image ID EC2 AMI that you needed. This parameter change region by region and specifically version of the operating system. So it's very convenient to use a script like this to search for AMI, and for example you can run a virtual machine using this parameter, image ID parameter. So this is only one idea. Let's move forward on the next lesson. Have a great day. Now you know how to search for Amazon Web Service EC2 AMI ID by AWS region with Ansible. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson was useful for you. So see us on the next one to have more fun together and automate more of our IT infrastructure. Yay! See you. Have a great day. This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.